Welcome to Row with Controls. Here's your host, Steve Rowe.
Hello, everyone. Today's Row with Controls topic, integration. It's on the rise, so let's cover a few details on it. Like, what does it mean? Is it necessary? Is it worth the additional coordination that needs to take place? If you look at the commercial space, there is this idea about the smart building, which can take many different forms. There's such a wide variety of systems and technology in buildings that there's not one clear answer to the smart building. But that said, trends continue to show that more and more buildings are integrating systems for a wide variety of reasons that we'll get into shortly. But first, what does that mean, integrating systems? Network digital systems like lighting controls, HVAC, access controls, fire alarm systems, and more, all provide a specific set of functionality. Integration, and more specifically digital integration, between these systems is simply allowing data sharing between them and prescribing the outcomes of the data sharing. Simply put, systems can communicate and provide coordinated control between each other. Let's look at a couple of examples, each of which in this case includes lighting controls. One of the simplest integrations you'll see occurs with a smart conference room or lecture hall. Have you ever seen or had an AV system interface, perhaps a touch screen, that was capable of controlling both the audio-visual equipment and the lighting, maybe even the shades? Another example in common use cases where a facility staff wants a common software dashboard to manage their various building systems. This would require pulling all the relevant information from each system and putting it in a common software and data environment, like is often seen with a building management system. So I promised we get into the why, and so here we go. Why is integration important, and is there value here? The quick answer is yes, of course. Most systems still remain siloed, but building owners, facilities managers, space occupants are starting to realize the true value, and therefore we see integrations on the rise. The benefits could include usability. Providing a single interface for control of multiple systems simplifies the user experience. There's a level of convenience that goes with this. So this dovetails into efficiency. Having systems in a single interface lowers the learning curves for those managing and operating the spaces. Maybe safety and security. Allowing systems to work together in a predictable fashion, of course, can create an enhanced environment that's more safe and secure. And of course, we don't want to forget about energy savings. Leveraging the hardware infrastructure already in place, we can often drive additional energy savings. So a great opportunity to double down. So overall, where do I land on the value of integration? In my opinion, there's a clear value to it, but the possibilities are endless given the systems and technology in buildings today. So both the building use and service strategy need to be considered when making this key decision. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on Row with Controls.